Brownie from YC Onion, small RGB LED light. Welcome back to Take Apart. This little brownie light comes in this small box, inside which is USB Type A to Type C cable and cold through the Q20 mount adapter. Underneath the first layer is a manual packed in a bubble bag and brownie light safely in the foam. Link to purchase this amazing light is in description. And here is it, YC Onion Brownie RGB LED light, power/mode button and dial, YC Onion logo on the back with the two red rubberized lines, USB Type C connector. Buttons are a bit flimsy, but they does the job. There's strong magnet on back of the light and 3 dimes cold screws around and Q20 thread. Below this front diffuser is I think 25 strong LEDs. Let's turn it on by holding power button down. We have a blue light. With dial you can change color. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Full mode tutorial will be on the end of this video. And when you press dial down and turn, then you control brightness. This is lowest settings. Press power button for next mode, which is red. Here you can control a brightness. Next mode green, blue, CCT, police car, lightning, RGB and RGB cycle modes. This light is only 68mm wide and 28mm thick, and it weighs only 100 grams. Alright, let me show you what it can do. Long press of power button to turn on the brownie. Turn dial to set color you want. And press dial in to set brightness of the light. Press power button to enter RGB cycle mode. As you see, light is changing colors by itself. Press power button for red, green or blue lights. Also CCT white light. Next mode is police car flash. And lastly lightning. In all modes you can adjust brightness with dial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.